Jining Baoliwei Construction Machinery Sales Company Limited, founded in 2018 in Jining City, Shandong Province. Operates from a 50,000 square meter facility with nearly 100 employees. The company specializes in hydraulic truck cranes, truck-mounted cranes, aerial work platforms, and custom equipment integrating R&D, manufacturing, and sales, with advanced production lines and strict quality control. Baoliwei delivers safe, reliable machinery to clients across Southeast Asia, Africa, and Central Asia. Focused on innovation and performance, Baoliwei provides efficient, tailored hydraulic solutions to meet